Do you want to trade the Forex market but still stuck in your 9-to-5 job? You're not alone. Many aspiring traders struggle to balance their full-time professional career with learning and executing trades. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can successfully trade Forex with a very busy schedule. I'll also be sharing a major tip with you on how you can achieve profitability very fast with that busy schedule. But before we get into that, my name is Gani, a day trader now for 5 years, and I've been fortunate enough to collect several payouts from prop firms. And here on the channel, my goal is to help 9-to-5 professionals seamlessly transition to full-time trading. So if you happen to get some value from this video, remember to like the video, because this enables this very video get to many other people that would love to get this kind of information. So let's get into the video, shall we? Understanding the Forex market. Now, before we get into strategies, you need to understand exactly how the Forex market operates. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and it has several sessions that you can actually trade as a trader. So these could include the Asian session, the London or European session, and then also we have the New York session. So as a 9-to-5 professional, you need to identify the best session that actually suits your work schedule. So if you're in the US and you're a professional, you could decide to trade the London and New York overlap, because this presents you great opportunities in the market, because during this time there's a lot of volume in the market. So you can decide to say, I'm going to be trading this particular time period or this particular time of the day. But then if you're in Asia, Africa or Europe, you can decide to trade the London Open or the New York close, because these present you very good opportunities for you to be able to be in the market while you're not in your busy working hours. Because many of the times maybe you have a supervisor that is always going to be on your back, telling you do this, do the other. So for you to be able to trade comfortably, these are time periods that you could decide to say, let me be in the market at this time, so that maybe when I'm overloaded with my normal work, I'm not in the market. I'm not feeling any kind of pressure to actually press that buy or sell button. So this might be one of the greatest times for you to be able to trade the market. The next thing you're going to do is to choose a trading style that suits you as an individual. Now, there's many trading styles out there. These could go from scalping, or maybe intraday trading, or maybe position trading, or maybe even swing trading. So you need to choose what you feel best suits you as an individual. For example, if you're in a 9-to-5 regular job, obviously scalping might not be the best option for you, simply because you're not going to be glued on the screen all the time, checking for the next price movement. So you might have to choose a trading style like maybe swing trading or maybe position trading, because these offer you less time on the charts or less time in the market. So you might have to consider such trading styles. Let's talk about some of the essential tools that you will need as a 9-to-5 professional. Now, when it comes to the tools, in my opinion, you cannot miss to have TradingView. This is the best charting software out there in the market. So definitely you will have to get TradingView and basically have it maybe on your computer, or you could have it on your phone, because it's very essential for you to actually have this particular software. And then obviously the other that you need to have is Forex Factory. This will enable you, follow on the economic news data that is maybe going to be released in the day, because you do not want to maybe have a trade on and maybe news is dropping, because you need to know exactly how you're going to be managing your trades during these time periods when news events are going to be dropping. So Forex Factory is one of those that you should not miss out. And then obviously the other software or the other tool that you need to have is MetaTrader, because this is what you're going to be using 9 out of 10 times to execute your trades in the market. So you obviously need to learn how to use it, how to place trades, how to maybe close trades. So you need to understand exactly how it operates or how it works. And this is how you're going to be able to manage your trades even on your mobile phone. Now, as a 9-to-5 professional, you need to develop a simple but very effective strategy. This will enable you, do the less things in the market or the less things on the chart, simply because when it comes to trading, you must be able to do the simplest of things. I'm telling you, do not complicate anything for yourself as a trader. Try and have the simplest strategy, because when it comes to trading, we have a saying that goes, less is more. So the less things you have to think about, the less things you have to do on the charts, the better it is for you as a trader. You should be able to recognize your setup when it has formed in the market very fast, because as a busy professional, you always don't have to be there glued on the screen, knowing exactly I'm waiting for this and this and this to align for me to be able to take a trade. Try and develop a very simple strategy. Obviously, there are so many out there. In my opinion, try and find one that is very simple, and this is how you're going to actually be able to conquer the markets and become a full-time trader in the long run. Let's also talk about risk management and your psychology as someone who is doing a 9-to-5 job. Now, when it comes to risk management, this is the most important part when it comes to trading, because you as a trader, your number one goal is to actually protect your capital. You do not want to, deposit money into your trading account and then the next day all the money is gone. So only use a 1% risk or less. This will enable you, preserve your capital, and this is how you're actually going to become a profitable trader. Do not over risk on your accounts. Try and keep it within that 1% risk or less. And then obviously the other thing, you need to know exactly how to calculate your position sizes. There's so many position size calculators out there, so you can try and get yourself one. For example, there's one on my FX book, so try and actually get yourself a good position size calculator for you to be able to manage your risk well. And then the other thing is obviously the trading psychology. Now, when it comes to psychology, you obviously need to manage yourself, because this is more about learning about yourself. There are so many good books out there. You could try books like maybe Trading in the Zone, Market Wizards, maybe The Best Loser Wins, and so many other good books that are out there when it comes to psychology. Now, I told you guys I'll be sharing a major tip that would enable you achieve profitability in the fastest time period. And the tip is basically for you to have these 3 major things working for you very well. I'm telling you, these 3 things are what makes you a profitable trader. And the thing is, you need to manage your risk very well. You need to have a good strategy that has a 40% win rate or above, with a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio or above. So once you have this kind of strategy, you will become a profitable trader. And then the other thing that you need to have working very well for you is your trading psychology. So try and educate yourself in all these 3 things. And trust me, once you master this is how you're going to become a profitable trader. So can you trade Forex with a full-time job? Absolutely. Provided you have the right tools, you'll be able to trade Forex and in the long run become a profitable trader. Now, if you're someone who is still unprofitable, check out this video, because it will enable you instantly become a profitable trader.